In today's fast-paced world, keeping our homes clean and tidy is a top priority for many of us. However, have you ever stopped to think about the impact of the cleaning agents we use on our health and the environment? The truth is, the products we use to clean our homes can have a significant impact on both our well-being and the world around us. This is why it's crucial to consider making the switch to non-toxic cleaning agents. Explaining the significance of using non-toxic cleaning agents for health and the environment, it's important to note that traditional cleaning products often contain harmful chemicals that can be detrimental to our health. These toxic ingredients can lead to respiratory issues, skin irritations, and even more serious health concerns with prolonged exposure. Additionally, these chemicals can also pollute the air and water, causing harm to the environment and wildlife. By highlighting the potential risks of using toxic cleaning agents in households, viewers can better understand the importance of making a change. Switching to non-toxic alternatives not only reduces the risk of health problems, but also helps to create a safer and cleaner environment for everyone. So why not make the switch today and enjoy the benefits of a healthier home and planet? After all, everything that goes down the drain goes down into our Earth, our one true home, which we collectively share. So then, it only makes sense that we start to become conscious of what goes down the drains of our household. Global change can and does start at home. Understanding non-toxic cleaning agents. Non-toxic cleaning agents are products that are formulated using natural ingredients and do not contain harmful chemicals or toxins. These cleaners are designed to effectively clean and disinfect surfaces without posing any health risks to humans or the environment. Unlike traditional cleaners that often contain harsh chemicals such as ammonia, chlorine, and phthalates, non-toxic cleaning agents rely on plant-based ingredients like essential oils, vinegar, and baking soda. The components of non-toxic cleaning agents are carefully selected to ensure they are safe for use around children, pets, and individuals with sensitivities to chemicals. These cleaners are free from synthetic fragrances, dyes, and preservatives, making them a safer and more eco-friendly alternative to conventional cleaning products. In terms of effectiveness, non-toxic cleaning agents have been proven to be just as efficient as traditional cleaners in maintaining cleanliness. They're capable of removing dirt, grime, and bacteria from various surfaces while leaving behind a fresh and natural scent. Popular non-toxic cleaning agents like 7th Generation and Honest have gained popularity for their ability to deliver powerful cleaning results without compromising on safety. Making the switch to non-toxic cleaning agents not only promotes a healthier living environment, but also contributes to a more sustainable future for generations to come. Benefits of non-toxic cleaning agents. Non-toxic cleaning agents offer a multitude of advantages for your home, health, and the environment. One significant benefit is how these cleaners contribute to improved indoor air quality. Unlike traditional cleaning products that release harmful fumes and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, into the air, non-toxic cleaners are free from these toxic chemicals. This helps to reduce indoor air pollution, creating a healthier living environment for you and your family. Safety is another key aspect when it comes to non-toxic cleaning agents, especially for households with children and pets. By using non-toxic cleaners, you can rest assured that your loved ones are not being exposed to harmful substances that could potentially cause health issues. These cleaners are gentle yet effective, making them a safer choice for homes with little ones and furry friends. Moreover, non-toxic cleaning agents are eco-friendly and have a positive impact on the environment. By choosing products that are biodegradable and made from sustainable ingredients, you are reducing your carbon footprint and minimizing your contribution to water and air pollution. Making the switch to non-toxic cleaners is a simple yet impactful way to promote a greener and cleaner planet for future generations to enjoy. Making the switch. Transitioning to using non-toxic cleaning agents in your home is a positive step towards creating a healthier and safer living environment. To help you make the switch seamlessly, here are some practical tips to guide you through the process. Firstly, it's essential to recommend specific non-toxic cleaning products that are suitable for different surfaces and purposes. Look for products like 7th Generation or Ecova for general cleaning, Clean Republic or Honest Company for disinfecting, and Method for glass and mirrors. These products are formulated with natural ingredients and are effective in keeping your home clean without the use of harsh chemicals. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, suggesting DIY recipes for creating homemade non-toxic cleaners can be a fun and cost-effective alternative. Ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and essential oils can be combined to make powerful and eco-friendly cleaning solutions for various household tasks. Lastly, offering guidance on where to purchase non-toxic cleaning agents like 7th Generation or Ecova can make it easier for viewers to access these products. These brands are known for their commitment to sustainability and quality, making them reliable choices for those looking to make a positive impact on their health and the environment. By incorporating these tips into your cleaning routine, you can enjoy a cleaner, safer, and more eco-friendly home. Maintaining a non-toxic home environment. Creating a non-toxic home environment goes beyond just using non-toxic cleaning products. It involves adopting holistic strategies that prioritize your health and well-being. Here are some key strategies to help you maintain a non-toxic living space. Proper ventilation and air circulation play a crucial role in reducing indoor air pollution. By opening windows regularly and using exhaust fans in areas like the kitchen and bathroom, you can promote better air quality and minimize the buildup of harmful pollutants. Good ventilation helps to remove toxins and allergens, creating a fresher and healthier indoor environment for you and your family. When it comes to pest control, encouraging the use of natural remedies instead of toxic pesticides is a safer and more eco-friendly approach. Methods like sealing entry points, using peppermint essential oils, and maintaining cleanliness can help deter pests without exposing your home to harmful chemicals. Natural pest control solutions are effective and pose minimal risks to your health and the environment. Additionally, promoting the practice of decluttering and reducing chemical exposure in the household can further enhance the non-toxic environment. Clutter can harbor dust, mold, and other allergens, while excess chemical products can contribute to indoor air pollution. By simplifying your living space, minimizing the use of synthetic fragrances, and opting for natural alternatives, you can create a healthier and more harmonious home for you and your loved ones. In conclusion, the importance of using non-toxic cleaning agents for maintaining a healthy and safe home environment cannot be overstated. Throughout this video, we have explored the numerous benefits of non-toxic cleaners for health, safety, and the environment. From improving indoor air quality to reducing chemical exposure, non-toxic cleaning agents offer a safer and more sustainable way to keep your home clean. It is crucial to take action and make the switch to non-toxic alternatives for the well-being of your family and the planet. By choosing products that are free from harmful chemicals and toxins, you are not only safeguarding your health, but also contributing to a cleaner and greener world for future generations. I encourage each and every one of you to prioritize the use of non-toxic cleaning agents in your daily cleaning routines. Together, we can make a positive impact on our health and the environment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family to spread awareness about the benefits of non-toxic cleaning agents. Let's work together towards creating a healthier and safer home for all. Thank you for watching.